Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook indexing issues. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer and log into your account. Give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders so you're working with a complete view of your mailbox. This ensures that when you access the settings, everything is properly synced and ready to be indexed. Once your email has loaded completely, you're going to navigate to the File menu. Look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see the File tab there, so go ahead and click on it. This opens up the main menu where you can access various Outlook settings and configurations that control how the application behaves. After the File menu opens, direct your attention to the bottom part of that menu. You'll see an option labeled Options. Click on it and an Outlook Options window will appear on your screen. This is the central hub for customizing and troubleshooting Outlook, so it's where you'll find the tools needed to fix indexing problems. Now look at the left side panel of the Outlook Options window. You'll see several tabs listed vertically. Locate and click on the Search tab. This section specifically handles how Outlook indexes and searches through your emails, which is exactly what you need to address when dealing with indexing issues. Under the Search tab, you'll notice a button labeled Indexing Options. Click on it, and a new window called Indexing Options will pop up. This window gives you control over how Windows indexes your Outlook data, which directly affects search performance and accuracy. Next, look toward the bottom of this indexing options window and find the advanced button. Click on it to access deeper settings that allow you to troubleshoot and repair the indexing system. This is where the actual fix happens, so pay close attention to what comes next. In the advanced options window that appears, look for the troubleshooting section. You'll see a button labeled Rebuild. This is the key to fixing your indexing issues. Click on the Rebuild button to start the repair process. Before you do, make sure to read through the notification that appears, as it will inform you that this process might take a long time to complete, sometimes several hours depending on the size of your mailbox. Your Outlook will continue to work normally during this time, but the search indexing will be paused until the rebuild is fully finished. Once the rebuild completes, your search functionality should work smoothly again. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the indexing repair process, and once it finishes, your Outlook search should be back to normal. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.